So we'll follow with a short presentation of the authors, and we're welcoming three directors to join us. Please.
A veš, koliko hud vlak nas čaka, na takem še nisi bil.
First, I would like to thank you that you welcomed this film here, and it's amazing how many people are here watching this. So I was in a situation like this last character in the last movie. So I was in a festival, and also for a few days, and a storm came, and we couldn't go out of our tents. And I started to film it with my telephone, and this was years ago, 5 years ago. And then I had this footage, and I didn't know what to do with it, but I thought it was really beautiful just to look at it. And then I thought a story.
Čez zimo veliko snega in noč, ki traja neskončno.
Yeah, the process was very short. I think I just woke up. And I said, okay, let's do this. I think it was done in 2 hours. So for me, it's kind of interesting because there's no long-term process where I would have typical ups and downs. I just used the footage that I did there, just in order to remember what I saw and what really fascinated me.
Žal je.
Tukaj. Nazaj.
Zdaj rec.
In my film, I just wanted to do an exploration of just that, like, what's the thing that we have, like, what's the common ground, what's this, I mean, basically the idea that we need to cooperate if there is any way that we can help each other, and we have to help each other. So that was basically the whole.
Meet Mirek and how the project came to be, and maybe you can tell us more about how is he now.
Let's say randomly. I spent 3 months in Katowice on artist residency, which is not connected with film but with visual arts. And I just first 2 weeks spent walking around and noticed this car first, and then saw the legs, and wanted just to like check out if everything is okay with this human.
It was really hard to select all this material, and especially to watch all this enormous amount of porn. And I mean, the main focus was of course on mainstream porn, and produced in States as kind of like this best example of mainstream porn. So that was for this middle part. And this archival footage is basically what is possible to find on the internet.
I don't know if I understand the question, but I photographed my film on 35mm camera, so basically frame by frame. And then I also scratched the film a bit and then digitalized it. And first of all, I'm sorry to put you in this situation that you have to repeat your question like 100 times, but I guess it's like, because it's animation, it's frame by frame. And
Pobarvala sem ga z rumeno, z večjimi barvami, med drugim tudi z rumeno barvo. Rumena barva opisuje kot en sonček.
So actually I was familiar with the theme of chronic pain syndrome, fibromyalgia, and then I wanted to make a documentary about that because I found it really interesting, you know, to kind of connect, you know, like a pain that is not like that does not come from the body.
Kaj ti je napovedal?
So, Tosia. Hello, Robert. First of all, what was the idea for this film? First of all, thank you, Robert, for inviting me to this prestigious festival.
Ena punca je pojedla to korenja, da je njena koža postala oranžna.
So, did you find your photo albums?
Yes, actually, the first time that the film got screened in Kino Otok, I was at home being sick with stomach flu, and then my mother just grabbed some box and then she showed me a box with photo albums in it, all of my photo albums that I didn't see for a long time. So yes, I did.
So a happy ending to
Yes,
the film.
yes.
Thank you all for presenting your films.